Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel.
Friends, today we are going to look into the test planning topic. If you did not watch the video regarding the test planning, the previous videos or STLC introduction, please watch the video. The videos are available in the iCard section. So that you can get a clear-cut knowledge of the test planning. Friends, let us look into the 13th attribute, that is test automation. Friends, in test planning, test automation attribute, we are going to decide which auto tools we are going to use and what are the languages we are going to involve in writing the scripts. In the first phase of STLC, we get the requirements. Based on the requirements, we'll decide which requirements or which modules had to be automated. So under this attribute, we'll get an idea about what are the tools we are going to use and what are the modules for which we are going to automate. Friends, 14th attribute is deliverables. Friends, in deliverables, we are going to provide a release note to the client apart from our well-developed software. So in release note, from the point of the test team, we are going to mention what are the process we had followed for testing, what are the automation tools we had involved, what are the languages we had involved for writing the scripts, and also what are the testings we had done, component testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, and we listed all the non-functional testing, whether we had done volume testing or not. We are going to share the test reports or the requirement traceability matrix. All the reports generated in testing are mentioned under release note on behalf of the test team. The software developers also mentioned something in the release note from their end. So the release note is delivered to the client apart from the well-developed software. Friends, the 15th attribute is templates. Templates is, we can simply say, it is a format. From the starting of the project to the end of the project, we follow one format. The project may be from 6 months to 6 years. Some employees may left out of the company, new employees may join. So in this scenario, there should not be mismatch in the format. So we decide one format for writing the test cases, one format for raising the issues in the defect tracking tool, and we follow one module for the defect report. And there will be fixed format for each and everything like test report and test results. So this format is followed from starting of the project to the end of the project. I hope you get a clear-cut knowledge of the test planning. Please subscribe our channel to get notifications.
Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey. And also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.